How to deactivate or delete your Google Voice number. First of all, open the Google Voice app and sign in with your Google account. Then tap the settings icon from the menu. Scroll down to the account section and find the option that says delete Google Voice number or deactivate number. Before deleting, Google will remind you that this action is permanent and you won't be able to get this number back. If you are sure, confirm by following the on-screen instructions. After confirmation, your Google Voice number will be deactivated and removed from your account. You will no longer receive calls or messages on this number, and it will eventually be available for others to claim. Remember, this process cannot be undone, so make sure to back up any important voicemails or messages before deleting. Now you know how to deactivate or delete your Google Voice number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.